Today is the day that the Lord has made, and I will rejoice and be glad in it, okay? So here I am back with another hairstyle using this very old wash and go. This got to be like a week already old, and I'm still just trying to, girl, make it do what it do, okay? So I'm just using some of this Neatbraid after I separated my part. I'm going to be doing 2 parts, just little dangle cornrow to a box braid type braid in the front, and this is just going to be like a little decorative piece. Y'all, it's so hard braiding your hair upside down. I guess you could hold this upside down because my whole arm is behind my head, but we got it done and she looked pretty cute, y'all. So I'm just doing my hair because I really wanted to cornrow my whole head, but I just didn't have time. I was going to a wonderful retreat that I am now back from, but it was just such an amazing experience. It was a Christian women's retreat, and I just had such an amazing time being in the presence of the Lord with my Christian sisters. Okay, boom, transition, cute. All right, so now I'm just going to be separating the top half, so it's going to kind of be like a up and down. When you're doing this, you want to just be careful. I know it looks like I'm moving quickly, but I'm just separating the hair. I don't really make a line part for this because I don't know. I think it's just kind of a waste of time. You're not going to be able to see the line. Like, I'm not going to go crazy trying to part it perfectly, you know? So I'm just separating the hair. Y'all, I know my hair looks super dry. Again, this is like day 7 of a wash and go, and I'm just trying to do my hair pretty quickly. I'm going to be putting some gel in the front just so I can slick it down and separate some of my baby hairs. Okay, this hairstyle, I mean, I don't know. I don't think any hairstyle is really complete without baby hairs, but that's just my opinion. Okay, just flicking it down, separating it, trying to get some of the parts in the middle to separate like the hair, because I know that if I just leave it all like stuck, it's just gonna like get more knotted. Like, my hair's not super knotty, but since it is day 7 of this wash and go, it's, again, I'm stretching it. So I'm just gonna tie this back now. Yo, I have to separate my hair from the bottom from the top because it's like, it will get like stuck together and it's gonna hurt when I try to take it out. So this is me checking to see if I wanted this bun, and I decided I don't. It was still kind of cute now that I look back at it, but I kind of just wanted it like full. We already had the like accent braids in the front, so I kind of just wanted to be more unified of a look while still giving some separation in the look with the up and down, you know? Okay, so I'm just going back in, moisturizing it, trying to bring some of these curls back to life. There we go. I like racking my fingers through some of the curls to like just help it curl back up using just the water. Okay, now we're gonna go in with some of this mousse. I even showed it too fast. I can't even remember what it's called, but I don't know. Maybe just rewind and pause it to see which one I used. I actually don't even have it no more. I lost it at the retreat because I was doing some of my sister's hairs, and I just left it. I completely forgot. So yeah, you see the curls just coming back to life. They're just literally coming back to life, okay? So honestly, I just doused my whole head in this stuff. I try to make sure like it's evenly saturated throughout all the curls on the top. I noticed that I didn't like do the same thing on the top of my hair, and I think it's just because I was trying to keep some like fluff. But now I look back and I wish I would have like, you know, defined some more of the curls on top, because it was gonna get dry anyway, you know what I'm saying? This is me checking to see if I want to do a little something, and again, I decided not to. So here we go, slicking the baby hairs. This is such a satisfying and difficult process at the same time. Yes, I like to turn my baby hairs different directions because, I don't know, sometimes I just feel like they look better like that. I'm also not going too hard about my baby hairs because they're going to be covered up by the braids for the most part anyway, and probably just get messed up by the braids, like bumping into them a lot anyway. So yeah, this is what we got. It was just a little quick something. Okay, y'all. So this is basically the final look. My husband was talking to me during the process, so I'm just smiling at him. Anyways, later, y'all. God bless.